Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video is going to be a Glossybox unboxing. This will be my third time unboxing a Glossybox. I have recently just signed back up with them. So far, first one wasn't great, second one was quite good. This is the third one and it looks pretty special if you ask me. This is this month's box. This is August's box. I'm pretty sure it's like their birthday month, and if you remember correctly, last month they said that they had like a surprise in store, so I don't know if it's just that it's a nice box, but it's got this pretty ribbon on top. It's a pink box and we're opening it up and it says birthday edition on it. So, like I thought, they're coming out with their own brand, which kind of annoys me. I mean, am I the only one? When you buy one of these boxes, you buy it to get brands, you buy it to get samples, you buy it to discover new brands. You don't buy it to get it filled with their stuff. If I wanted that, I would go to a specific brand. But anyway, I'm hoping that's not the way it's going to go. So they have a full range of skincare. If you want me to try it out, let me know in the comment section below. So they have a deeply cleansing cream, a 3-in-1 rich moisturizer, gentle foaming cleanser, purifying charcoal cleanser, night serum, exfoliating clay scrub, daily micellar gel cleanser, hydrating mist, a 3-in-1 moisturizer, and an eye boost cream. They have a full range here. There's quite a lot of stuff, and it ranges from £15 to £22.50 by the looks of it. So I mean, it's not hugely expensive, but it's not cheap either. So what they're saying about it is, glossies, we have some amazing news we've been dying to share with you. We've launched our own skincare collection. We wanted you to be the first to try it, so we've nestled a full-size Glossybox skincare eye boost cream inside your August birthday edit. So that's one of the things we're getting. So yeah, it's basically saying a little bit about it. If you want to know more, I'll put a link to Glossybox's website in the description box so you can go and have a look. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this box. So the first thing we have, I guess we'll start with their new thing. And I am going to try this because I don't have an eye cream at the moment. Or do I? No, I don't think I do. So this is the packaging here. It is pink, which is very Glossybox. Glossybox Skincare Eye Boost Cream reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. And well, I mean, it's a decent, for an eye creams normally come in quite small packaging. So it is vegan, it is cruelty free, and it is, it was made in the UK. So it says morning and night, use nozzle to apply 3 dots to the eye area and avoid contact with the eyes. It doesn't say rub it in or anything, so that is what it looks like there. It's a lightweight cream. It doesn't smell like anything, which is good for an eye cream. It's really kind of watery based. So yeah, I mean, it feels alright. There's nothing really. I'm going to try that. I will let you know in next month's box how I got on with this. And like I said, the RRP for that is £20, but it says exclusive subscriber price is £16. So if you do subscribe to Glossybox, you do get all of these cheaper. Okay, next thing we have is a Huda Beauty, what is it? Lipstick. So this is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. It wouldn't be a glossy party without Huda Beauty. Creamy, lippy, boosted, luscious, high pigmented, blah blah blah. It's £18 and it in this shade Shiro. There we go. It's a sort of just a pinky nude. I've never tried Huda Beauty's lipsticks before, liquid lipsticks before, so quite looking forward to trying that. That's nice. The next thing we have is Brushworks HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. This retails for $5.49 and it's just a 3-in-1 sponge. Versatile blending sponge, 3-in-1 design, latex free material. You wet it the same way as you do a normal sponge. Feels kind of dense. I'm going to go and wet it and we're going to see what it's like wet. I'm not sure that I'm going to like this because it's still very dense, but look at the flipping size of it. Let me just grab. This is my Morphe complexion sponge and this is the Beauty Works. Is Beauty Works? Brushworks. Okay, it is a little bit bigger. Actually not too much bigger. I thought it just feels massive in my hand. But it's this is very springy. This is a wee bit more dense. I don't know. I'll give it a try anyway, but it doesn't really feel like the kind of sponge that I like. It's just a sponge at the end of the day, and it is only $5.49, so... Okay, the next thing we have is Molton Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel, and it retails for £7.33 for this size. The full size is, this is 100 mils, the full size is 300 ml and it's £22. Wow, that's expensive. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells nice. It's very fruity. I quite like that. I don't know if it's a scent. I like kind of foodie scents more than florally scents. It is just a shower gel. There's not really that much to say about it. Then we have the Steve Laurent Vogue lip liner, and its retail price is £12.09. It must be converted from a different currency because that's a very strange price. It is just a lip liner. These may have gone together, but it's kind of like a purpley colour. I thought from the colour of the pencil itself that was going to be the shade of it, which I thought was really nice, but it's actually on the end there and it's more of a purple shade, so it doesn't really go with the lipstick that came in it. I hate it when they do that. I wish that they would give us ones that go together, so like you've then got a lip liner and a lipstick that go together. But yeah, I mean it's nice enough. There's not really much you can say about a lip liner, but that is that there. It's just throughout our birthday month we want you to enjoy yourself without having to worry about touching up your makeup. Luckily this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed. Well, that's good. Blah, blah, blah. It stays put up to 7 hours and you can shape and contour your lip line, whatever, blah blah blah. So that is everything that is in the box. I'll put on the screen the total of what everything comes to, what it's all worth. And yeah, I mean, anybody who knows me and knows my channel knows I don't like to be negative. I mean, I'm looking forward to trying that, but you're putting your own like, put it in as an additional item. Don't put it in as part of the box. Like, I wish that they matched, but I am looking forward to... I'm looking forward to trying this. It's a nice shade. The sponge I don't think I will like, but I am going to try. Like I said, I'll update you on the previous box, this box next month. And I am going to use this just because shower gel at the end of the day. So, I will obviously be keeping my subscription on because I do quite like getting it and it's not too expensive. I quite like getting, you know, the little bits and pieces just to try. I think that's pretty much it. So I will leave a link in the description box so that you can go and check out Glossybox and sign up if you want to. It is pretty good. I mean, you're getting something, a little treat every month, and it doesn't cost that much money. But I'll leave it down there for you so you can go and have a look anyway and see how it all works. But apart from that, I think that's everything. So if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see my other Glossybox videos, they will have been in cards in this video. So if you just click the little I button up here, they'll pop up for you. And yeah, hopefully I will see you guys in my next video.